Come on, Dutchless! Let's go! Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode on Red Eye Whips. Today's episode we're going to be lubing up the chassis and the
yes sir,
brake stuff. It's exciting, I guess, so you'll just have to bear with us. This is just the process of getting this car to be what it's meant to be. So
yeah, like you said, it's not going to be exciting, but you know, it has to be done.
Yeah.
It's going to be nice and slick. Hey guys, welcome back to the garage. Today we have some various tools here we're going to be using to get the car started. We have this special fitting here for the Model A to grease it up. Right here we have a book we're going to be using today, a guide by Les Andrews. So let's get right into the lubrication.
I am Dr. Jellyfinger. Ready for your examination? Hey everyone, we're back again with another video. In today's video, we're going to be lubing up the chassis. Right here is the rear axle bearing. If you have one of these cars, we're going to give this 2 pumps, not 3, 2. 2 of the second number. No more, no less. These are rear spring shackles, I believe. I'm going to give these 2 pumps. Wipe it off so you don't leave any grease there. There's another one over here. Right here's our rear shock link, right here, but we like to call it Bethany. Give it 4 squirts. Now Bethany's all happy, and she won't take the kids and your dog. Right here is the rear brake actuator arm, and well, there's no fitting. She took my kids, my dog, and now my fittings. I'm calling my freaking lawyer, man. I don't care. Why didn't pick up? Well, guess I gotta get new fittings. I'd like to point out the elephant in the room, which is clearly me. The other day, my co-worker was having a seizure. Thought he was just... Well, this is the bottom end of the kingpin. Your kingpin is up here and then it goes down there. You want to give this part 2 pumps. This is the top part of the kingpin. This one is called Susan. Unlike Bethany. Oh. Unlike Bethany, she'll actually let you keep your kids or dog. I don't think I did that right. There you go. Perfect. One more. So got these 2 and that. My God, dude, really? Freaking top! So, the problem is, we're missing a few fittings on the car. We're missing 2 on the rear part, and we're obviously missing that one, but we have the one over here on the right side. Right here is our shock link. I don't want to give this 4 squirts. Oh yeah, Pornhub, if you want to do a sponsor, we're always open. Spring shackle. We're gonna give these 2 pumps each. Right here is the brake actuator arm. Gonna give that 2 pumps. Shit. Dang, that's some old Looks like a wet turd.
You could date any celebrity, what would it be?
Margot Robbie. Yeah, I'd probably take her from her husband. By the way, this is a U-joint, just so you know. Just be careful. You can never over lube it, but we use 6 pumps just to be sure. What's my rag? So this is a water pump front and your rear. For the rear, you want to give it a full pump, and for this one, you want to give it a quarter pump. So I just put some Zoom spout in our distributor to lube up. So now you want to take some super lube and just put it on your finger and then just go around the cam. Now it's all lubed up. Alright, so I'm filling this up on this side of the distributor. I don't know what it's called, but just gonna go with it. Oh. Right here behind the engine are 2 little cups that are part of the throttle. Now the other one right here is our front drag link. Gonna give that 2 pumps. So we're actually missing this this rear drag link, just like we're missing a few other fittings. So we gotta get more of those later. Hey everyone, we got some new pieces for the car. Got the fittings we were missing. Hopefully the new pieces we installed on it will help it start. So we'll see. Well, solo. Hey guys! Thanks for watching. Throttle Thoughts, our loyal supporters. We hope to see you next Monday, and a link to my friend's channel is in the description. He shouted us out in one of his videos, and we appreciate the support. So we hope to catch you next Monday, and thanks for watching.